mantse re dutse Ivan a feta. Jale o feta office wa kena so wa feta. Letswalo la ka. Qoa. Ke botsa Nest, ke re Nest. Ho etsalang? A re mla pharetsa wa batla lo sign. Ke re jwang ja? A re mla re qetile. Tswile I'm scared ka mo ke go ba. Re kena ka office-ing. Ke batla lo sheba difika.
O ipaka ibona sene go Pirates.
Wamela tate wamela ke batla dlala Pirates. Yo ke batla palama stage se.
Good day and welcome to Sports Geek with the Spoiler Ngobo and
Lebudi Tlhake.
Oh, yes. If you happen to be watching us for the first time, please do not forget to do the honorable thing. Subscribe, like, comment, and even better, share this episode. Like they always say, make the circle bigger. Lapana njoba sewazi lapha la ekhaya Sports Geek njengenjwayelo we always go siyobheka lapha ama yesteryear players and we just never disappoint. And in today's episode, we did exactly that. I guest yethu, he is one of our guests, ngathini, well-traveled guest. Udlalile kuma province ahlukahlukene, yo Gauteng, yo KwaZulu Natal, Free State. Asibuye nje lapha, let's zoom in to the clubs that he did business for. Yes, mangaphazami, I believe he started his career lapha KwaZulu Natal, eThekwini Gagasini kwelikamthaniya, la khona athe wagijima lapha for iqembu elakhona lapha AmaZulu FC. Usuthu Mabhesha Nkoni nyaka nehlazana mabona bulawa abafana basembelebeleni. Hey be usuthu waqeda lapho wanyuka weza khona la eGoli wafika wangena lapha kwezimnyama ngenkani eOrlando Pirates ezikamagebholo zagebholo umhlaba kaMasipala zawushiya umapeketwane zathi bosala bebona uma ngaphazami uyile lapha Mosi Ngangatha ngicabanga ukuthi basho njalo lapha Bloemfontein Moperesweu ngicabanga ukuthi ufike washingena lapha wathi ubagcwalisela lapha City of Roses when he was doing business for the lapha Bloemfontein Celtics. If my memory serves me well, I believe he's also boasting the national colors. Yes, Bafana, he did turn up for the South Africa's men's senior team, that is Bafana. Hence, I said, here, go Sports Geek with Spoiler Ngobo and Lebo Tlhake. We just do not disappoint. We always bring you cream de la cream. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, help us welcome Benito Bennett Chinene.
Hey, ngwana mmele kae?
Re teng tate re tswile. O nkana Clare ka Sotho. O senyetse nako. Tsa matha Clare ka Sotho.
O beletse bra.
O weng bana
Azakhala.
O senye nako mpalama ka Sotho
Clare.
O zenenye mfondini.
No ngwana mme. Re qale ka o leboa monyatla elemfile ngona.
Yes.
Ke leboela TV show ya lona.
Yes.
Then ke leboela le di supporters tsa lona tsa TV show ya lona.
Yes, siyabonga kakhulu lapha Benito lapha nje besho lapha but Bennett Chinene. Lapha sakukhumbula khona celebration yakho but sazoza kuyona ojwayela ukuyenza lapha kakhulukazi time when you were turning up for Orlando Pirates. Sizoza kuyona. Mangibona amakhulu ngoBenny Chinene, I always think about your celebration oyenza mawukora lapha amagoli. Ngaphandle lapha
Giving.
Awuzo? Chairman. I want to. To shapela di go di kitla want to.
Utayibona live.
Siona.
So I'm not curious about Chinene. First thing that came to my mind was Lama celebrations wakhayo Aishaya mayiqeda ukubhakuzisa inet. Without any further ado, let's cut down to the chase. I'll just give our viewers ukuthi lapha Bennett Chinene, where was he born and bred? Ubuya kwaNongoma or ubuya ko Northern Cape ko Galeshewe or go Shoba uphuma phi? Where was Bennett Chinene wazalelwa kuphi?
No, actually batho ngata ke tlhaetse ko Valley ko Sharpeville.
In Gauteng.
Yeah, ko Gauteng mo. So batho ngata ba ane ba profile ba ngotse Sebokeng.
Sebokeng, yes.
So batho ba Sharpeville ba bana le problem. Already as also ngotse because
yes, it's out there.
Yeah, so but nna ke tlhaetse Sharpeville ke lokise ntwe yo. Tlhaetse Sharpeville ke ne sekolo Sharpeville. Qetile ona ke qetetse ko Sasol school.
Sasol pen.
Yeah.
It's Free State. Sasol pen under Free State, yes.
Yeah. Qetetse sekolo Free State. then yeah, that's when life yake yasoka icala more then.
So makhuluma ngabo Sharpeville, so meaning Sharpeville siyayazi lapha ngabo Sharpeville massacre, and I believe there is also,
history and rich yona Sharpeville, yeah. So,
and I believe there is a site here of that massacre. Uyayazi leyo site le.
yeah, it's next to my place. Kuma 2 minutes, yeah, more.
2 minutes walk from that
Yeah, even
site.
even le nkgono wa ka is one victim ya massacre.
Nah, serious?
Yeah.
Nkhono is one of those women ababe mashwile from Matompas
Ba
bashona laphana.
yena la thola di floods. Tsa
Floods of bullets.
yeah, like antwe is sharper, so then that's when I thola operation mona I can hospital la thola mo di lungs mo.
Okay, what's that? A bullet?
Angazi ushaya yini, like maybe something they were shooting, then something
Amaphoyisa.
yeah, then something bem sharper more dimpeli, and he went to hospital for maybe a year or something.
No.
Yeah.
Common street.
Yo,
Uteng got roof commission my grandfather, my grandmother.
your grandmother, why we commission?
Yeah, una uteng. Then history, but ushonile manje.
Oh, she's late now.
Yeah, she's late now.
Yo. Yeah, we started the show. Hardcore stuff. Hardcore stuff. That's Sharpeville for.
Amabini to.
Thank you.
Kucha Shavas.
All.
Yeah. Athi plasi.
Athi the plus Sharpeville. Njengoba sashilo very good. Useduze nale site le.
Exactly.
Yeah, lokhoza ya
I
Sharpeville.
can walk just 2 minutes, walking over 5 minutes nje. Kasi yakashosho mokuhlethe intini.
Sure.
Kasi ya kuya Valprone.
Yeah,
Val professional. Yeah.
Val professional yabo Robinson siyakamela.
hela, yeah.
Makhuluma ngeval professional, the first person that come to my mind, Robinson.
Yeah,
Robinson siyakamela.
dangerous, you're not dangerous.
Zona lwena.
Once washo. Yeah.
So mawuthi uqedile isikole, you finished your into isikole Free State, something that comes to my mind. Ngenze ukuthi wena awungazi ne awungazi ne, but it's a moment lapha ukuthi you finished your career Sasolburg, something came to my mind. I once stayed at Free State, and I believe, and I was when I played against you at some stage Sasolburg.
Awukhuphula bathu.
Aweke.
No, again. Didn't you play for Sasolburg Juventus?
Yeah, ngidlala Sasolburg.
It was yakhona was Ernest or something.
Nations, yeah.
Ernest who?
Nations.
Sasolburg.
Yeah, walivenda.
Walivenda.
Yes.
And that team you were playing this with the current football in not APC Motsu. What is that? It was Vodacom at that time.
Yeah, never Vodacom at that time. Now it's
Motsepe League.
Yeah.
It was Vodacom at that
Yeah,
time.
that time never Vodacom.
Did you against this?
Aroiki.
Again.
Not that team.
Roiki.
I played for Bloemfontein Young Tigers.
Okay, no. No.
I played for Go Transfer.
No, I'll choose out good deal, yeah.
Hey, I played for Nerita na.
No, that's
Eh.
land.
Ne.
Yeah.
Awumbule man.
Marai.
It was still a son.
So umkhutsi wakhe.
Yeah, no, besidlala nabo. Besokolisa. It was a great team.
Yeah, since the problem. And that time I was very young and skinny, so nikile dangerous. Then awumbona PSL, la PSL no sobona masala.
Masala. Molo.
Ngichis.
No, bengimazi lapha Sasolburg Juventus Free State beko rough ngiyayazi hayi bezibuye bafika lapha i-crowd igcwele lapha phezulu. I remember one of the some stage crowd yakhona, they once sweared at me, bangithuka
It
just so hostile. They were hostile nje. But we were a visiting team, so if we were lapha no Juventus we visiting team, they made it a point with Phillies, and if you win the game at some sport in Little we're playing what is this tournament, this one, the last 32 things, this Netbank, yeah. At some stage we played them, we're leading them, we're beating them 1-0. Chama Lights. It was ups at the time, yeah. Yeah, it was ups. It was ups at the time, yes. I switch off my lights, they were full of dirty tricks. Sasolburg. I switch off my lights, the game had to be replayed. Game best your palace ball.
No, remember Ernest Nelly lawyer.
Yeah.
So chairman on.
Yes.
So nali smart. If I want now re tlo jewa then nona ntse ka di-tricks tse jwalo
Ke a bona.
a le yabo di-DC bo eng obviously
Wina.
of nato
Wa easy.
Sina, the switch of my lights to me
Yeah.
are the package event. They're full of dirty tricks. But asiko lapha it's not about
Yeah.
I guess lapana esibuzo lapana Sasol package event has it was shoot. I know you Leo team usagijima lapana Free State. Now let's talk a professional arena. How did your professional breakthrough come about?
okay ke qadile ko ne re dlala from yona Sasolburg Winters ke qadile teng ko league actually because ke amateur bo Shaville ntse ke dlala
Yes.
the sticks and all this
Unodlala lipoqo.
elpoko then ke qadile elpoko Shaville then ba mpona Shaville ka ya Sosol ko ntong ko Sasolburg Winters
Yes.
then that's when re dlala league ne le Castle then
Yes.
ba ka status ya re ya wina ntong ga ya Vodacom.
Yes.
Then Vodacom ga di-playoffs then di-playoffs ga faila first time ne re le ko Durban eSikhaweni
It's
yeah.
Cowan, that's north of
Then-
Durban. Again, sorry.
Yeah then
Again.
re a pheta league hape ga wina league ga ya ko Kimberley that's when ke thola be re loser be re sa promote
Okay.
then be ke thola offer mo to Winners Park ene ta wina ene ka rene le Mvela ya Winners Park ene le Mvela then ka thola chairman ya teng ne nshebeletse
Okay.
then rona re loser chairman ba fitla bua le Ernest
Yes, because Sasol package event.
yeah then that's when ba bua ba re mona re batla player ena timela LinkedIn number ka di finance then ba communicator then ke move jwalo from Vodacom to Mvela
Okay.
but ne re se re feitsi
Playoffs.
playoffs o tshone se re feitsi but now was outclass mo di playoffs ke bona o
Stood out.
yeah o lose but o no le the best
Yes.
yeah then ba fitla banka mo that's when ke ya ko Winners Park ko Limpopo
Okay.
ko Polokwane
Ko Polokwane.
ko Shego then Shego ke dutse one season ko Winners Park but ke tletse first 6 months a ka dlala because ne ke le msesane o dlala batho bana ba dirang ka at that time Mvela ene le batho ba strong wa bona ba mpona ke le ntho mare chairman a tshwara ke le kinye coach o ko kinye motho nana tse ba fana ka di excuse coach sa teng di sa ngatenyana ke la bona most ka sengwe le ngwe ba rata ba majita teng wa bona so now 6 months a feta ntse ke kinya mhlangole ke kinya 2 minutes jwalo bona then o fitla point ya hore chairman o batla ho tebeka di-player wa bona hore no everyone have a chance
Yes.
so that e be fair hore ha re tsamaisa motho everyone have a fair chance
Yes.
so first time I got first chance ke dladiswa ka right
While you're left
right
footed.
ke left ke right one.
Don't forget that Sports Geek with Sibonelo Ngcobo and the Lebo Dihlake is proudly brought to you by Dihlake Construction and Plant Hire, so as Dihlake Cash Loans. And don't forget, if your bank balance is not a bank balancing too well, to give them a call on 073-956-8647. And Lapana Monas Lapana eating was a construction and plant hire. Lapano Tinga about TLP, Vaterkan, excavators, you name it, you know exactly what to do. Always give them a call on the very same number, which is 073-956-8647. While you're still watching a Sports Geek with Sibonelo Ngcobo, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and even better, share the link. Make the circle bigger.
Hey coach arena Marian Folle ke tswa ka writing ke o tshong ke se obviously ke na le disadvantage obviously mare advantage go ga ke khatha
Yes.
the pole obviously tlo
Shabanele.
shabana dia so ke itse fela tsa ke mo a ke tlo cross ene ke mo beka di cross la cross wa ka di goal na mme ke one a ke shapa cross
From the left wing.
a ke shapa cross fela ngwana mme ke goal so now ke ka writing ai ke ratsa ke tlo khatha ntho tla me ke be sure ga ke khatha kids attempt or something ke dlala 1-2 ke so vele I game ya mamela the game first game nje la ke fuwa first chance mamela yes I qala bona ntho jwalo ke hore ke bona the best of me ke hore ke re ya mona ke tsama ka re mona ke a ona mo ke yang teng mo ke tlo dula mo
Winners Park.
yeah ke tlo dula here whatever it fetsa la mare mo se ke impress ka ke etsa le nna
wa ikutlwa le wena
e re ya mo ke impressa mona mamela cheme ke a ke antse ke khata obvious a ke khata motho o ntsa sala a ke khata motho o ntsa sala he bana then
Iron Robin that
mamela plus ke mo rata mpi
Iron Robin.
yeah I used to love that guy yes ne ke shebela yena le Ruben le ke Ruberi
Frank, yeah, the French, yeah.
Munich ya ne ke rata ke because ne ke dlala style sa bona so ne ke favor ke mshebella hore
wetsa
bula jwang ya go so then after game hey lena tla bana le tla mhlola ke le jutse after game out chaka a striker ne ke dlala na Winners Park chairman ya ne re dlala le Zulu Royal o pela Zulu Royal
KZN.
yeah ne
Yeah,
dlala le
Zulu Royals, yeah, KZN.
yeah ne dlala Zulu Royal after game the striker sa rona sa thola di number tsa chairman sa Zulu Royal
Zulu Royals.
yeah wa mo bua le ena o mo jetsa re no ke batla go reka kana ke ntime ntho kana mphomale kana dlalang ana tshena
Yeah, Limpopo. Not Dynamos.
Dynamos yeah
Dynamos.
se re lebetse bo Dynamos ba rola ba
Yes.
yeah Dynamos yeah o jetsa dimano re o batla go ka Dynamos
Yes.
I think it was Sokela or
ke motho o chairman wa
Zulu Royals. Zulu Royals.
Zulu Royals okay o jetsa demand I think Sokela
teammate. Yeah, ke Sokela. It was Sokela. Yeah, it was Sokela.
Sokela le top yeah
Yes.
ka le ba le two so then e ba questioning ke dula le demand wa striker ke khosa o thateng ha fitla re mona chairman wa nqhomela ke chairman ya Zulu Royal ya mpatla e re ka Dynamos hai ke re bana ha bana qala lo dlala motho na sa go ansia ke bona so bona that thing pain nyana e ke totlo nsia jale connection e nga bona ne towards end of the season like setse bo my 6 games nyana then re dlala ke perform then ha season fela chairman Zulu Royal e fonela demand ke dutse le
la chumia wa striker
tlameha re ya hae jwale season e fedile ha re tsebe re tlo khutla mo nthong ko ba sene one season so tlameha re khutla ba re founela se re tla bona pele demand ke dutse le yena bile ne re lapile tsa tsa teng ga rena nyoko ke Diamond re mona chairman ke na mfonela wa bona ya Zulu Royal ba di Roma se already sense di matha tsa hore ba rekile Dynamos wa bona then o sanje sampon se re bone pampiri then obvious ha mo fonela re ya PSL
okay
ha khole ya kena o mo batla a mo sanna PSL a mo sanna PSL yeah then hey modimo moholo wa tseba ngwana then outena na e jetsa chairman hore no chairman ke dutse le outi ngwaka so ana dlala ka la right a se sa left antle kana ba batla ntwana engwe e dlalang ka left agai that one I'm not Jackie
yeah le
Jackie ena ke dutse le ona mo a sure a mara I trust you Diamond am patlela span
le chumia
chomi ena ka ena o batla nthong go dlala PSL Dynamos re ku ya mazulu Zulu Royals 1 2 3 ke re video no tjena ke a dumela a se ka se re a ga bua le chairman afa chairman ntho kona na kopa bua le ena ya re le qeteng amfa phone chairman ke bona chairman kunjani tsa Zulu nyana se so tse Zulu actually ne Natal kunjani baba hayi ngiyaphila man ngiyakuza bazi unzima ngithi hayi sobona khona baba amahlweni ta sobona khona yini wabona so okay sharp he re ke le sendele ntšhelete he right through but I'll send a chelete
lately no
yeah I can't know ke ramje tsa season ko etsene re high okay yang high then ha le fitla ha le qeta then le tla njwetsa ha letla then ke tlo book already hotels and everything accommodation everything okay for now mfa account number wena le lithu mfa ha mfa o theka mfa ya ke send ya ka lena hey ban speed 10,000
hayi bana
alsabe for ba kana dijo no a kana dijo kana go dutse ka ntle wantwa season e fedile tse re dutse ka ntle ntho festerens ka opola bya fester banking like yeah then I send that 10,000 account ke botsa ke re mona chairman mfile 10,000 a ga le no mfile 10,000 what's the plan now? Ke gae, nna ke hae. Yena a go ya straight Durban. Ona sa rate ha. Kosa wa ka. Ya, hayi ba yong thakata. Hey, what?
Yethekeni klaro.
Phesela manje. O ga ta bosa. Ando. Hayi na ke straight Durban.
Who was that play Kamalaka?
Thandong Ngwabeni. Ngwabeni, Thandong
Yeah,
Ngwabeni. Yeah. Hey, ka Durban, na ke Durban straight ka uzongithola Durban nge-talk is fine. Then since re pakela dintho ne le o same plus. Hayi since bila ke re monna taxi rank.
Oui.
Jozi yena a fitla Jozi bus ka go ile ntho ka go flyile ka safose tshane na mo na senya chelete ka go flyile ka go ibuketse flight tsa mna sa rate life e thata mamela nna ke tsana ka taxi ngwana mme 200 o tsekisetse ka ma 9000 like lo fitla ke le go wa ke fitla then ke dula 2 weeks hae Magriza 5000 nyana ke re Magriza ke thotse mosebetsi ke close la Durban 1 2 3 4 mara ke so sign immediately ke palama bus Durban a fitla Durban station ba nlata ke khona manager da hotel next day gymming yeah. Then after training ke gym first day after no I got gym because of I was circumcised ke like circumcised itse mone le winter nyane ya a ke ga plan le June ka June no kwalwa bona so ba tebe ke ndi ke circumcised se ke le mo land actually la bona so I fitla ke dutse ka ntle then immediately ke sense ba re office re lo sign nna ke sign before ke train ke sign before because of until I don't prefer until o train after then wo sign o kana thola injury then also thotse injury then baba tlola
and that's how it is.
so that's when it started here ko Zulu Royal event amazulu se change libitso e rekile Dynamos na ibitsa
Amazulu.
Okay.
yeah.
And who was the coach at that time ko Amazulu?
Ke thotse Inele Reggie Shelembe. Hey, you know people.
I know my football.
I know.
Reggie Shelembe.
Yeah,
he was a defender.
Not Thabo
Dladla.
Dladla.
Thabo Dladla from Maritzburg.
Yeah.
A super fit guy. So fit.
Yeah, nama potreso. So
fit, yeah.
So yeah. Then yeah, ngithole bona lapho. Yeah, thotse bona mole for moment. I think 2 months.
Yes.
Yeah, let's say 2 months. That's when Rasalali sharp. But at least at left back. And 2 months here, mind you. Yeah.
Yes.
2 months here, mind you, I saw that.
We are gym and Japan.
Kaya selectioning, but I get like this. 90.
More 18.
We are 18 normally, 90 stand sometimes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Until 2018.
Yeah. Until Clavaka fit.
Clive back.
Yeah.
Yeah. Afitla life.
Afitla Clavaka na sa se tsona ntsa re shebella.
Okay.
I don't at stadium obviously before at sign at stadium at check. So now Clavaka aso nshebella. Wabona?
Ngizobona.
Asombone. Oh yes. I to join a team then that's when I found but features.
Yes.
Training a high obviously uhlobona guy. This one is good at this one wabona. Kona it's squad is high.
Yes.
Then tab grazing ka rona ntsa le teng. Ya ne se the assistant mo. Baba la ba timo there something by the assistant then Clever ka be head coach. Yeah. Then Clever ka obviously na le power, yeah, everything. So that's when he as I was left woman, come on left. Right woman then what holore kena a performance go lefty. Then get off a chance.
Okay.
I remember first chance I get to Cosmos.
Jomo Cosmos.
Yeah, go to Munan.
Ko
Katlo. Yeah. Ko Katlo one me. Then for more since ke perform. Now the first chance. Yeah. First chance I got.
That's all about feeling.
Niggas we lauta TV ke. TV ke na ngwana mme. Hey ka mona na bo tshwana ba tla ka Cox Stadium rona mona ntse re tla ka Cox nyana tse wa bona. O shaba bo di Cox ngwana mme gona re mona UPSL jwale dintho di a change ngwana.
O shebane le digamabalane.
Digamabalane bona na o matha le tsare kaofela.
Ko Cosmos.
Yeah, then rona so be fit that much. You know, so but I've played well like batho ba maka just this chance ke tholang
Yes,
ke e sebedisa. Then ka dula nako e telele mo le
KwaMazulu.
yeah ne sele 3 months I stayed for 6 months there
6 months KwaMazulu.
yeah and ne signed
It was 2006.
yeah ke dutse 6 months
Mm.
which means 3 months ena ka dlala ke tletse 3 months 3 months ena ne ke tsa morusu kore ha ke thola chance bo Pirates ke bolaya
Well-
ke thola yeah Chiefs ke bolaya ke plus ne ke mantha le shoes shoes ya mpile mona jale se ke loa jale se ke tsa nje
Ke a o bolo no shapa pele di control.
ke tsa bona so shoes black
Ke mang shoes?
shoes mshe
Oh, shoes mshe,
Yeah,
yes.
ke tsebe
Oh, KwaMazulu.
yeah
Yes.
so shoes obviously ke go le modlele ya ka elemento ya ka one
Ke teammate ya hao, all of a
teammate
sudden.
ya ke re hai ke msama o ke ra
O anya we.
o ja mnati ke rata dijo
Mang shoes mshe.
Ee.
O monate ka tjhelete mmuso.
ka room ya hae o na le chocolate o na le dish ya hae o ja bo ntho monna ke nguluetse fela
Ba mo mskema claro.
O ja bo tempo ra.
ba itamtsa ene la ke phone jale ke ka confidence yo ke re hai ke a o shoes ke na mphasa jale ke close so ba itamtsa ba ke re shoes obvious okay hai tsele ke di profile
Eh.
nna ke a kena ka room ya mshuzana o mnate a re ke re lo jwang this week obvious
Oh, plus no shoes was also doing ilento.
yeah ene na jalo na le bo dintho tsena tse tsa apara ke la bona
Eh.
tshwara meriri
Ben-
wa mo falle nna se ke monna ke a foster
So skemela shoes mshe mmuso.
yeah se ke skimle shoes then yeah 3 months I just stayed for 6 months KwaMazulu then ka thola di offer ka tla high normally bala freezer account ya sokela
Yes.
yes ka December so ba ska re patala
If you for you know.
e ka re whatever the cases tsa bona wa bona
Eh.
Court things.
yeah so
Court things, okay.
that's when nna ke tla high ha ke tla high Ernest happy
Ernest from
Eh,
Sasol.
Ernest kena ha ke tla Winners Park Ernest o ntse ba ntse morago
Okay.
agent ka ke na agent
Eh.
mara Ernest o ntse batla fee
Compensation
fee ya
Yeah.
Yeah.
team ya hae
Yeah, team ya hae.
whatever.
Yes, Juventus.
la Mazulu o ntse the same thing
Mm.
so ha ke tswa Mazulu ka December ha ke thola ha re ya season ya kwala ke tla hae Ernest wa tla ona re mon ke a tseba la gola because of 1 2 3 4 5 ntse ke setse case ena morao ya ntho
Yeah,
Sokela.
Mazulu. Yes.
o ka ska le patala so now let's do this ha re folele Chiefs Sundowns Pirates hai why Ernest no ha ke so fitlhile
Ya kakamela man.
ha ke rena a man umna a mamela e mona a re country la ka wena no
Eh.
a wena I just doubt siba ke gwa dlala so country la ka wena no ke re serious a nna ke so ipona hantla ke re jwale mara ke bone mara hey dilong rentšinyana mona bo senzo ne ke ba ka Pirates
Osenzo Mayo.
ya bo senzo mayo so
Mandlala le Pirates.
yeah so ke bone gore talente teng okay that's when ke bana le gore ke bana le confidence okay I can mara next ready ya bo Pirates bontle ke tshotsa re bo team se wa bo ya se a ke nana bo Pirates ke nana bo Chiefs ke nana Sundowns ke hai ke se bapale mona bona hai ke right okay it's fine ke re jwale go tletsa jwang ka contract a ke lawyer a re mamela ke gale ke nka di risk lo ke re a re ke kile ka o fela ka ke re a re mamela if you go fail I will pay you tšhelete ya Mazulu eo o fang yona until contract e fela ai mamela o thilela mfa confidence a re mamela I will pay you tšhelete eo yeah ta o patala tšhelete eo until contract e fela ba o suspender or whatever not a case but case ya I will run it as well because I'm a lawyer ke tla o emela ke ra mona na ntho e simple a re let's take a risk ke fonna Chiefs ke fonna Sundowns fonna Pirates tla o fa respond ke roke sharp a phone Sundowns re no re tla bona January mare ga mmatla motho ne re sa tse ka mthola jwa a phone Chiefs ne le motšhine Chukala
Go Chiefs.
yeah ka yeah ne le coach ate then ba re ba hlaisa lebitso la ka ko officing a ga chinene ntse le chicken less what chicken headless chicken o tla latla ground
It's running.
wa bona ha sana experience nge I remember in 25 tsa December
Yes.
ne ke le tournament ko kasi a ke batho ba mpona Mazulu jwale ke adla ke tsala Mazulu ke hlodlala kasi Paul Potko ke kwa gale ka khona bila ntona swatla tata gore ke nna winnisang team da ke mobe ke ba mele fit utlwa ke jwang ka monana ke tla lepokong ke tsamaya loss after game ke winnisitse ba batla go shoota le nna ba bona ke bona jalo celebrity ba qala jwale mana motho ba famous no je kanti hayi ke dinyane tse ngwana mme after game ke thola call mona okay
ke 25
25 okay ke nest wena bja o tseba nest hantle okay ke re ke hapo we mona na ntho ko ntho ko Everton please go boya hayo lo hlapa fast Ivan Khoza batla bona
Ivan Khoza
yo
just like
a ke tsebe
ke December
a tshwara ke mala ke December ka tshwara ke mala ke tshwara ke a ke tsebe ba me ka ke ferekane ke tshwile ke Ivan Khoza wa nombona re ke jetsa out coach ga rona mga club ke re mfete go ponkisa ha no tjena ba tlo nna tla me ke lo hlapa eng ke a nkisa go etsa lantse ga ke mtlotla tsene no Ivan Khoza batla mpona ntho go my kitchen go Joburg a go ke phagetse so batla ke re sharp a ke fitla hae ke tlhapa ke ntho ke emela Godman again ene ke na ke bona motšhini wa kena la zena se bo dilo ya ga ke o shapa ka bo di motšhini na ke kena ke tlhapa ke na motšhini super R59 ga hlamona ga hlamo ntho mo ke na my kitchen ba ga next to my kitchen the officer parents ne di next to my ha re kena ke a bona di badge
a se toro ke
ke a bona badge tsa bo di office mo reception hi Mr. Chanene hi bo reception batho ba ntse ba ba o ke bona a ke kana go wena na ke
a o iri gore
bana Chanene ka ntu msotho wa tsa tsere go lo kwe tsere go lo forino tse ke re ba re Chanene re tsala utla sefana se so hape wa lo wa bona ke re no but I understand most ba ma forina ga ta lo wa ke re no a ke lo forina ba re serious lo utla le sotho sa ha wena
ke sa fale
ke ga ke tswa vale 1 2 3
ke bo sisters ba
mantse re dutse Ivan a feta go jale o feta office wa kena so wa feta le tswalo la
kwa
yo diamond ke re bana ke Ivan tjeo qala mona live kena ka office okay fitla tsanta phone ya la o thole kena ka office
o tsamale man
ke vale nest ke botsa nest ke re nest ho etsalang a re mla pharetsa ba tlo lo sign no ke re jwanga a re mla re tsetile tsitswile I'm scared ka mo ke re go bana re kena ka office tafule na tloa mona Ivan o dutse ma go le tafula teng mona ke tswile mo le ba bua le nest Ernest okay contract Ernest o santsa di contract tsa Mazulu okay sharp batla account freeze it's what Ivan a phone Danny how's it that's something ma Godman a phone la ko Sava ko Sava PSL yeah a uncheckela contract a Chanene fast mo a checkua okay sharp ifela nini okay sharp a ke re tla me re bua nnete ngwana me okay Chanene tswa Ivan a geland contract Ivan into Ernest Webber di ntho tse tlose tsa bona tseo ga mona sign ke batlo lo sheba di fika
o ipaka bona sene go Pirates
wa mela tate wa mela ke batla dlala Pirates yo ke batla pala ma stage se then ke batlo lo sheba Ernest Sanjitsa ge mna sharp e feta ya
Mazulu
ke signa mo ntse ke shebile mona okay Sanon fi Mazulu a ka fua le Sanon fi mona ke signa
ndi bo guys no view
ya Pirates ke fue I think 300
yes
300,000 then 300,000 first season jwalo batho e tlonyolla jwalo
there this
ke a bona jwalo
and it look na lunga
ke ga man ke tlo bona le koloi mo se ke na le koloi ke lo hela me ka ntlo wa bona se ke pitsa ntho tse o so tswa envelope ya wa khola envelope kana mona if we nest ke chairman ha bula ka mona ta ke ha sense mo tsuka ka mo
king mo envelope I contract for imali
10% ya
ba fa nest chalet
o commission yake o commission
ha negotiate ke tsi ba mo fa chalet a re fitla ka mona I think ba mo file bo 150,000
go
Montol
Mm.
mamela akusogole amazulu babatla kunya chelta ba sentse ba njetse even le ns ba njetse mona sa khutlela amazulu o sodlala Pirates no mamela ska tswa nix o sodlala Pirates from today o dlala Pirates ke re bana
Clearance no nothing
amen next
kwa mazulu
Mamela.
ambile fela
oh Ivan yo mamela ha ke tswa office fela ke tsamaya ne sense bula envelope 10 30
For when?
pocket money. I'm sure even your salary kwa mazulu was not even more.
12 o tla se ke khotsi 3 months o khola 12,000 amazulu
12,000 man knows pocket money 30,000
mamela 30 o mamela
on the spot fela moyeng.
mamela sokela wa phone ka mona ngwana sokela wa phone ka mona lunga hey mamela every day ba ska di araba khola sa bona ba lla di message ya ke arabe next re batla go fa tšhelete ha o khutla eng ke re next ba re mona next mamela 25 26 27 heso mane umnati party everything you 1 2 3
Yeah.
7 ke reporta ntho Pirates
Mife.
ke reporta ko Johannesburg Stadium
Eh.
bia first day rile ba nkise hoteleng pele ko Wanderers mo
Oh.
ntse ba sebetsa Wanderers tutse bo 3 months ke khola Wanderers
Did you report a run gate?
ke mo ntho mo Johannesburg Stadium
Oh.
training
Mm.
a training hotel
That's all.
hotel and training jwa
Ha sa dula val no.
mara ke sore ke koloi ke se di avala ke sore ke koloi sa dong fitla ke na le hotman yaka ke ma agent a ke re no ke na le lawyer ke yone mpula ke agent wena hey o tswa mazulu o sole Pirates njale batlo bena ina aksa to dikena ke re ai fedile ka plazo
Upoto wake.
o bosinyana bona tsa dikena ntate ha ba ke re fela monana enka ka ke re it's fine ke na le lawyer ke tla bona pele re tsamaya le NST jwalo tšhelete a fitla hotman ka mona ba pila sanon fi ke re a re tšhelete a hela meantlo ne le thurumi heso ko di RDP
Okay.
re fa mangkhona ka laha a thola tšhelete tsa di masaka o la ya forum re na le tse ithu la forum ka mane di thurum a ba forum ka mona nna ke ha ke ba se ke sebetsa be ke fa mangwana ka o so hae ntlwena then be ke tshwatla ena ka mona
Okay. Why?
be ke ha ntho mo mention mo ke ela me ka mention mo ka tšhelete Pirates file
So la
tšhelete Pirates ke ela me ka ntlo ya first
Menji.
yeah
so time ufika lapha go Pirates obana badlala in squad some of the players who were there.
Oh.
Leso sikhathi.
Pirates mamela amen I didn't go ka ufela botso
Vilakazi.
bo gift batho ne ba shebela TV
Vum
la batho ba ke na le 6 months
Ke tla professional.
o utla ke mocha so professional so 6 months inana ne ke khalla o dlala le bona ke botso bo konko bo makhanya ke bona
Tukutuku ya.
those names
Boteko.
atiko na so fita
Ndisa fita. O thotsela.
yeah ke untotsela
Oh.
Manyathelo was there.
manyathelo sant nasa hlokaetse
Nasa hlokaetso.
yeah
Okay abomdledle.
bomdledle walaza ake di bona tsena ba ntho wa bona la batla mona
Ngitso.
na ke tswa amazulu nyana
Sononya.
sononyana bona tsela di bona tsela di bona confidence mole
Abomdledle.
bomdledle wa bona ke mdledle ma ke mtsela diplosi ke ga o ntse na le bomdledle mo motho lo dlala mo ga se letsa na ntho ga bona ga ke tselena diplosing mare sa limonana bona mona ka majita ka ofela ba bang a ke ba tsebe mo le ke maybe ke tla ba bona ntho mafurena bo chance Isaac chance bo
Goalkeeper ya.
le Isaac chance le Francis ke goalkeeper yeah Isaac chance
Isaac Chance yes.
amela dade
Francis ngicabanga.
amela dade shapa left and right
Police card.
Yeah.
card
Francis ya.
ai mamene lentsha mamela o konko mane mare wa kapa ka mona bo fiku le lombelo kuna ka mona ke re bana Pirates ke ena hantle ena nanta
Even call.
ne ke shona ka that time se ke sainile ba mpotsa ke mango ba ga ke ntse ke channel nta majita bua ka nna ba wona na sokodisa wana bitseng senso ka nna o tla se ho bua ka nna ke ga
Go jole ne ban feel.
ba file ke ga ba these guys ba mfila mos So I can answer good about 7 more. Okay, these guys.
Bangazi.
No, ke fitile. Ke fitile ngwana.
And the coach at that time, man.
Coach ke Micho.
Yeah.
Micho, kana Micho man.
From Uganda. It's
From Uganda. Yeah.
From Uganda.
Yeah,
Yes.
from Uganda. Yeah.
Yes.
Mara uduti, I think, 3 months, 4 months. I do not go to re change the coach Pirates. Yeah. Uduti bo 3 months. Yeah, bo 3 months. Then after 3 months, ke out Tombo. Yo, ka go tle Mtombo after 3 months.
Tombo, yes.
After me, you right. Minel Micho de
Mtombo, Then le yana jwalo fela. Then since ka Micho ke fitle ka dlala. Ka Mtombo mamela la a ona ngata ka pele ka ofela. O na etsa di example ka nna.
Arbeni.
A jwetsa Majita. A bona channel o ntse 1 2 3. Lo wena o etse 1 2 3. A bona ke khole coach ne ya mfila ke ga this guy wa mfila so. Ka dlala kwatla ke mang Owen Dagama.
Yeah.
Lena ka dlala lena o ga ona motho tsinto. Mamela first season ka second season ka ke tletse Pirates. Only yeah. And ke jela hantle le botso di dabi ka ofela gore mamela mamela ke jetse hantle ka batlu maka.
Talk to us about njengoba usumentionile lapha with namadab. I was trying nje lapha ngama preparations to the dab the tension from the players. How was the relationship as ama teammates? Uma nicabanga indaba starting lineup bekhona ama element okudlelana umona, especially makuze kulawo ma game anjalo ukuthi Soweto Dab ngizifuna ku starting 11. How was the relationship nama teammates building up to big games?
Actually touch the point emnati. I wanna point out jealousy. Majita na jealous. I'll say it again. Majita na jealous because of everyone knows that derby, ne?
Yes.
Jimmy, about discourage. Hey, Jimmy Tauto, Maka, hey, man, about when I Tautala, hey, Jimmy Halatula batho in Yingabon. Kiri batho, these guys kill teammates and Bajita go fair. Gabon, Hatla by encourage, one about discourage. So Kafila petting and maybe jealous because of this game. It's not a normal game.
Yes.
It should make it the whole world.
Yes.
And the chances are got to the scout at the team only.
Yes.
And then if you can perform, ka crowd
Urgan.
yeah, o ka khona thola move overseas. So everyone wants about everyone will share this game. So Majita tla di to the snacks and ukila one. Then batla utsosa, hey mama lo fitlela ka so but nje na derby first derby ya ka le last derby ya ka top. Top.
Go gona lu teng go Pirates aso. A re no ba chaela. A elo na le tlo njwetsa next man. Na ke benechile.
Go Pirates. Talk to us about the Ubani.
Pirates again. Give up Pirates. But the time I get told up confidence. And I think ba jetsa machi.
And then
Then when the Botika batlo join
what comedies?
Yeah, Botikomdis. That's when Jale Tiko fita here, Jale Baba West. Yeah, Baba. That's when we now Womakanya Basadla, Bochiza Basadla, seven divisions A2. Then Banas Basadla, also Lalabana. So obvious, this group ya Hale. It's about against Ina. About Marina. Kikamona likamona.
Follow on.
Worked all up, still relevant.
Ke tsamale bona akiba chikele obvious. The subside kikamona likamona. So for none it was easy because of happening ke tsamale tso. Balla ba go tsama jwang ke ke ga ke tse.
O tsamale tso vela kaza.
Ke re mo obvious bana ba sa batlo go bala lena ko
hoteling ya.
Majita ma ba mtshaba ba bang ba re so hey
uyaluma
o lo ga bhluko go betsile ke batlela so ke batlena o so ba ditana mtshaba so
vela kaza ba loya
ba gata o meriana hey botlapo ka mona tla botle le ntho tsa o lwena ai ba bona so ke ga nna no ke mnati ana ne ke tshepile because yeah.
You've just touched on a point lapana meet especially in Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
At some stage there was ama rumor ukuthi ama players Pirates ayathakathana kumele ugada ama cox wakho ugada was this talk to us about that ama players now teammates bethakathana ku Pirates.
No mamela every team e nngwe le e nngwe na mme
Yes.
chemistry day
Ama-players ngokwawo amongst themselves.
mamela ucala obvious tama uyiprotect wena
Wena ube nenyanga yakho iwe.
yeah obvious akunoyipata hiyo
Yes.
kgale re tsamaya dingaka
Yes.
so hona le time re tlo seisa ya team
Yes.
wa bona so ka seisa ntho tsa hao
Sakho i-one
bo tlo seisa tsa team re le kaofela
kaofela.
so wena o tla wena individual hore o sebedisa against motho o mong for position or
Position, yes.
or protect
Or i-coach
But,
kuthi kuthani.
ya coach ba bang we differ phela nna let's say motho wa ka
Yeah.
tsa ke ga nna ke batlela o protected nna ha ke batlo khawatha motho mo I don't want to destroy life ya motho mo
ke batla ba ntwantsha
ha ke tsebe motho o mfile eng whatever mfile yona ke na tseba hore nana if motho ba tla destroy then e sharpant e khutlela
Back to the sender.
yeah back to the sender so a ke ba tlotse next so that's when ba questioning ya team ka ofela ga etsa then individually motho ne le yena a tla tswa yena rolo ya ka fojo mara ya bo di coach nna ke tsebe mara ba bang ba tshuba rona le motho a ona lo shapa coach fela
Yes.
yena o shebana coach ga tena fela
Yeah, I know.
so mara moriana wa sebetsa bolo yeah
Unfortunately, it is what it is. Finally, we got to confirm ukuthi yes, ikhona loqiniso ukuthi ama-teammates bakwazi ukuthi laphana basebaloyane ngokwabo laphana kwi-competition ye-jazz. Sekhona lapha nje ubusushilo ukuthi wadlalela ama-games amaningi abo-Sundowns against abo-Chiefs, ama-Soweto Derby and everything. Out of all nje lama-players surely njengoba udlala ama-players nama-team amaningi yiphi iplayer ngempela ukuthi uma kuyodlalwa naye ubikele ukuthi yazi wawuyisaba wazi le player ngiyamsaba straight
gale ke tshosa nna ke tshositse Jimmy Tao motho ana manthusa kana ke Jimmy Tao
Jimmy Tao ukwi-Pirates and SABC Chiefs
mare nna ya ka nna lo stamp ke mtshaba personally ne stamp ke mtshaba machita ine le ona batho ba nahana hore ke tshaba ke tlo tshoswa ke motho so
so
but nna personally no sna motho ntshaba ne ke sa tshabe
Buzithemba
no a ko pole bila ke makwa motho 90 minutes motho a mmaki
silence
never never
so wahlala lapha ona the Pirates yeah
ene do bua varu kulmi var
with no respect for any opponent
no not leo
yeah
personally
yeah sasho ukusaba ukuthi ukenika
gore personal but ono mona mo game gore di mana icon baba mthejo he ngwana ona di kateletsetse ngwanaka yer ene you bona ukuthi yahamba imambani keep people lebeke ngala phuma kaji ashaka ama controls anombate nto
ana nekusatsabe motho kore ne ke le brave I was brave na vele and then ne ke na le speed
yes
so ne ke itshepa ke ga speed and ne ke le
Jimmy Tao no Jimmy Tao
no Jimmy Tao le I mean West Party hona le mone sekete ka teng ke ga tswa ke I know futhumetse a bona sekete ka ga tswa mo futhumetse Jimmy Tao but ke na motho ne ke tsho ke ga ena ne le defender ene na overlap
so
and
I'm sure up and off now
yes but kilam outclass I'll say that
umetsang
mamela a ke re nele bana ba mtshaba machita
go Pirates
ka molata hero
nna ka outclass mona
yeah awe
mamela
and then ngiyacabanga ukuthi lapha so surely nami ngingazikhohle before ngikwazi ukuthi Juventus yes ngakwazi ukuthi Juventus but uma sengikwazi ukuthi uJane Pension seba big it was go Orlando Pirates unfortunately like by shoot good things they eventually come to an end eventually wayishia lapha Orlando Pirates. Talk to us what led to your exit go Orlando Pirates ugcine sesikubona sogijima lapha Free State ku Bloemfontein Celtics.
No say ko re we ne re bapala final
Go Pirates
yeah le Ajax
yes.
then ka
MTN or what
ne le na MTN ne le
okay no it doesn't matter
Super 8 yes yeah ne le yeah so ne re dlala ne le 2-1 score I had
win or near Leo
Rajio ne ke equalize I had 1-on-1 le Monipi
Manip Joseph
Yeah.
Slim Kata.
People are they don't believe even today. Okay, what's that day? I ke tlo bua nnete today. A ka bona dipalo. La ba fela ba ba fia.
maro o bona
one on one
yeah then wa ba fee ha ke re I supposed to give a kana Shaka Zulu ke mang Mthembu
Yeah.
nna ka batla ba selfish ka re mo ke batla ba hero mo ke a plaka goal ra celebrate 2-2 ra extra time in the final nahana ke misa one-on-one ka last minute
ya equalize
ka ta force mola match wa fela
LD Pirates.
yeah that's when ke bona ke bona hore mona ke a tsamaya ke bone mo hore la nya hamba lo mangiqeda ubadlisa bona ngiyazi ukuthi beneva bangitshela ukuthi ngibadlisa bese ngizwa nje ama-home athi wasidlisa
bojo bana o batla move
yeah but I get obvious people ba capitalize ko mistake so yeah then after more then treatment was bad nje
Go Pirates.
yabona
Sikubambele lo dumo
yeah then
le.
seba the main thing kore ha ke fihla officing ha ke tlame ke tlo renew ba re ba mfa the same contract and Ivan Habuile o sa bua le Floyd chairman o sa bua
Floyd
chairman o sa bua le
Mbele
belo ga e mo fento ne ke sa ena happy but ha ke bona ba re same contract ka
I improve nga
next and kana go that time o tla dentlate wa chesa ka mo
left wing uzobeka
ba batla mayambela ka mona ke bona and then akusabapala game time ya sale yo so ka bona what's why not e re ke ba release ke nna itse go akopile go release
then why
mara o yana the within concern ya ka ke
normally bana ba tsa ba chinchana le nna le mayambela
okay
Mayambela was from Cape Town.
go Celtics
Celtics, okay.
yeah ba etse
bana tsa swap deal
ba sub deal yeah
yana the ya palo or fee
yeah mamelo la ba o tsofela so I don't know what happened go re ke bona re I think ba ngotlile ka ntho tsa ba shapile ka chemist bona
so rumo le
so some people ba tla nana ka go bua ka di excuse no di a etsala ntho tse jwalo
and then changing, moving from Joburg and then getting to Bloemfontein, and I believe Bloemfontein Celtics that time was one of the well-supported team. If a crowd yakhona was buzzing and everything. So talk to us about your life, go Bloemfontein, adjusting, especially coming from Joburg, and to that appreciative FM Bloemfontein.
Ngwana me a o fitla Bloem ke tsamaya ka BM one series pila ka tsamaya na dikoloi
a dina dikoloi tsa Celtics
o motla ka bicycle nona
okay ba Joburg
mona coach ga le yona tsamaya ka skogokoro jealous o tla jealous for ma o paka fela machine wa
Jimin chine ne ke yo tlile ji
wa one series bona
dikena
go
mamele
go etla ka yona ya Bloem
mona e white tsele ntšhatete ka Pirates a ke tla Pirates a kena Bloem mana coach la Pirates lena Clinton
Clinton last
year obviously mindset wa high obvious chenene it's a big star what attitude you since day one fela ke fitla ka koloi attitude until season e lo fela I can join next there's nothing mama there's no history go Celtics nothing zero
how
can join next ki le fela form nati fela
in and out nati
mamela akbathi ya ke ratluba ka yona then akadlala game 2 games 3 games then ba batla ntibeka
go Celtics
I fitla train ya ba re mona ba batla office I fitla office re batla ntibeka on tiki hai mfenchal dak
was I net 2 years
for
2 years ke 6 months season I so fail ke hai
6 months into your 2 years contract
go tla nthoking
disciplinary
go tla nthong di holding ke ga mfenchal dak le batla ntibeka mfenchal dak a ke tsamaye mo go tla training next day ke a training after training happy it was a short after training phone up office
Celtics
problem ke BM
ga ga tlontena ga no no abantina bona jala se ke tlalelana bona se ke sa dlale number 1 ka mona na a ke enjoy
management
le mnati Bloem nati Stop. Banana ba mole.
Nightlife ya block.
Anything enjoy a blow fela. Tamo there's nothing zero my man. So next day officing up. Chinen Swallow Siobata. Yeah.
Until go Celtics.
Hey, Swallow Siobata. Gordon cousin, yeah. Kira yo lame.
Kira send go Swallows.
Yeah. Kira mabane le ntebeka mos.
Eh.
Yes and Ba no, re batla ho rekisa no. Kira no ma rekisa mo le ntebeka ba. Ke tsama free. Ba no, tla mo thola tšhelete gona back. Ke okay, it's fine. It's indeed. E rekile ka 1 million. Swallows to Celtics.
Go.
Ba re mona Swallow Siobata no. Ka bua le Gordon. Gordon fa. Hi my son, ke re jwang coach. Ke o batla ke re coach a ke dlale mone. Ke tlo.
I know khodi ba hao.
Yeah, I know your potential. Ke re okay. A go tlatlaneng ke re today ke a pakela. Ke re bona today. Tomorrow I'll be in Joburg.
Netso.
Mamela ke tswa office ke re ka mina ka wena. Ke tsa call ba fethu. A re tlo thuta. Ka pakela late Joburg. Hotel straight. Said into yeso. Then I went straight to the hotel. Next day ke fitla team e ntse go fela so re be already positions. Open space go left wing. Ke nna fela mo. Ba re chinene go dina sit there my boy. Fitla ke dula mo le then
Ubonga
ba re ke position now we won.
42.
Ne le 18 42 ne le Pirates.
Oh.
Yes.
Go Swallow Sikeng ne le 18. Nam a ke bona ba setwe ka ofela so ke a bona di position ka ofela ke tsena. 2 3 2 nna ke le 1.
Okay.
Ba re left ngwa ko ena le 1 ngwana.
And then go Swallows game time.
Swallow se preseason ka le mala. Yo. Alla Gordon. Banjwetsitse ka wena.
But you're injury prone.
Yeah, wa fake inka ka ena ke tsebekeng tsa bola netsa la mo. Ene ka ba shapa ona team e ke tla Swallow se. Ene ke one ka mo a ke ba no wetsalang. Ke ana ke nyaka jwale nna ka mo. Fitla nga gire mo a khona ntshentsa ga bona ntse wa ke ntse yona mona. I still remember tse ke na le di-max tsa teng. Ba fitla ba mphatsa like bona. Ba ntseba ntsha madi ao. Ba bankinya moriana.
Since.
Ke khutsa morao. A fitla Jimmy ka wa hlotsa. So limpa motho mo jwale bana. O sa tsere ke very same injury e se khutletse ntho.
Back to the sun.
Yeah.
Bana.
Na ke re bana motho ke re.
Yena ngone o ikutla re go.
Like for di. Ene ka mogana nako man. Ne se ke tsabana le coach. Bo ma 2-3 weeks. Coach you know what? Dula ka ntle. Mohla o fodileng o khutlela ka ha. Ka moga 2 weeks ke re ke sharp wa a bang ga fela ya khutla. Ka ya kgetnyaka. Ka yana ke nga fitla ka mphatsa ntsa tsamana ka banketsa ba ntsha madi a wetsa bankinya moriana mo ka ke fola.
Since.
Mamela first game ya ke dlala fela. Ba khola go 2 goals.
Ya pero wena ne go etse.
Swallow West Party the guy Tamale Junior wa kid manager. Abua le chairman a re mona refento le gato chabangu moriana wa tini ka pochenen. Le gato ano le gato this gato de one gato a sokodisa eng a re fetchenen. Ka bitsa chairman ya mpitsa Gordon wa mpitsa le Tamale na. Ba re institution re batla o fa moriana wa team. Ke re jwale ke re ke tswere moriana ke a confess ke tswere ntwa ka le ba ga ska wa relax phethe into yami vele banginike team
team of
ngithi ngizeswisa kanjani bathi hayi wena uzosikama phuthu wakho kuphela ngithi hayi mangisuka ekhaya ngifaka into zami ebhuzini mangifika eteamini bafaka ezinye futhi which means ngishapa ka
double barrel.
Litla ka batho ba tsenja ga se tshine unzima kanti ke tsama ka thokolosi
Tikolo sha how tikolo sha team.
Ngishapa ka double thokolosi. So that's when thola ditara bo gato ka ofela re ba old, we are old.
Go Swallows.
Yeah, ke old age we am mhlolo.
Experience.
Mamela ole age we am mhlolo. Experience mo le hey. Mamela even I trainer ne. Maybe I'm sick. Ke tlo dula ka ntle 2 days. Ma weekend I'm starting
11. Ika sendwa ola.
Machitacho no coach re batla chenene re batla lerato. they know these guys ke Swallows. National team here, what's about this guy? Ke yona Swallows first 11. Bana ba bang ba sena jealous. That's when we won the
Insane,
M10. Yeah, that's when we excel. We win a M10 8, then that's one number 2 colleague.
Colleague. And that was
Yes, like a
was it Icasent or Kevin Hunt?
First season ke win it's number 2 ka Kevin
Hunt.
Can't Igasent.
GI, yeah.
Yeah, second I to win M10 8 ka Zeka Makas. So
into
already
Oh, that was cool. That's cool. Yeah,
to
that's
offer.
sweet.
The way we perform, Mr. Squatty.
Who's that?
Gordon.
Gordon Kasem.
Hatla squad bafana.
Yes.
Yithi simfakile lapho.
You've just touched a good point with you propelled Gordon Kasem to Bafana Bafana, which takes me straight to the next question. I believe you also boast national team colors. Talk to us about your debut go Bafana Bafana.
Let's go Kosafa in the Pereira, ne? Yeah, the coach was Pereira. So
the Brazilian Carlos.
Obviously,
Augustine Paredes from
yeah, obviously Pereira Ashaba na wona ke finale study sa Brazil obviously. I first call up nje. I went to Italy, yeah. Ile Germany then Italy.
Bafana.
First call up. Not that Italy. Oh, fine now.
Mausa kasi
It's Italy. 18.
18 moya Mausa kwana to.
So yeah, then let's say ba prepare land no prepare World Cup.
Yes.
Then a re khutla nna ka thola accident ntse ke le Paris ka thola accident mo Melrose this small Kilani ka thola ntho mo and the physio advised me okay this guy itlo cover ne ke tsama ka quattro 83 next experience ka lo ke bona so I enjoyed this guy wa physio John Williams. I'll never forget that guy. This guy o thola accident ka yo. It's too fast for him. Ka di kolitsa maka 280 300 o kwena o ja o hata mo le ka thola accident o ntso prepare national team
for World Cup.
Ka lemala di khopa ka gola 3 ribs tsa kana di nisa lemala was not broken but ka dula spetle. Then I was with one girl mo koloi ke tswa mo Mill Park Auckland Park ya ne ke tswa Auckland Park so lata ngwana
Let's talk.
ke le stock ngwana mme
Unfortunately talk everyone isikhathi esesiphile sesiyashaya lapha khona imbizo nje embili ngifuna sithi ukugijima kuyona fast isikhathi siphelile yazama ukuthi nje sibe mfishane nyana. First question, you played for Orlando Pirates and you mentioned ukuthi wawuqoka inamba zamabhari lapha no 41 42
yeah.
I mean considering ukuthi umunati you are left footed umunati, surely you deserved a better number as compared to numbers zamabhari 41 number 42, which takes me straight to one of the issues especially that zooms into Orlando Pirates, the issue of retiring jerseys. Orlando Pirates, we know jersey number 10 is retired. No one is allowed to go with jersey number 10 Orlando Pirates. I believe na Kaizer Chiefs number 15 akunamuntu who's allowed to go with number 15. So what is your take on that issue? Clubs retiring the numbers, considering about channel bamunati, but they just simply cannot wear which is number 10 regardless of bamnandi.
I think let's say number 10 go Pirates.
Yes.
Obviously ke Brazil.
Jomasong, yes.
So obviously one of the best player go South Africa, but
yes,
generations nje maybe ka generation high, but generation dia diva.
Yes.
So I think ka generation high.
Yes.
Una le right, but ka di generation tsena ntsena ke kutwa ke ajua le ena in terms of netamaitse ka generation ka ke kwa le ena ha generation tse nditla abai bulela.
So yeah, at the moment
not to ra kwa le total Jomo then is players that ba feta Jomo so speaking for my side, yeah, that's my opinion. There's players that feta Jomo so.
So you feel they should do away with that thing, yeah, of spending a match.
That's an old mentality. Those people, they need to
do away with it.
Yeah, even Chiefs, let me buy change that thing.
Yeah,
that doesn't work anymore.
There's no need for that.
No, there's no.
Because surely your Brazil, your Abo Barcelona, your Real Madrid, your Manchester United, they don't do
Yeah,
that.
why say to get teams and to overseas? Why to do something more? So I like.
There you have it, South Africa and Yazala Panainsizwa. Penichinenu Yashut Ngowake, this thing, Yabo Orlando Pirates, number Kaiser Chiefs, retiring Amateur number 10, number 15. For him, it doesn't cut it. So he feels it is into Ngondenga Engapilanga, I support your idea. And even better if you go to Europe, you get to see your Barcelona, Real Madrid, Manchester United. They don't do that thing of retiring amateurs. So it's some kind of a South African thing. So Ngowake, that thing, it just doesn't cut it for him. Last question, technical question. Bafana, Themba Zwane, yes, he is our go-to number 10 right now. He's injured and he might not make it to the upcoming Go Africa Cup of Nations or whatever, even the FIFA World Cup, whatever it is. Let's say in the event Themba Zwane is injured as our number 1, number 10. You've got this Pomola who has some kind of come forth to replace Themba Zwane. You've got Thembinkosi Lorch who did wonders in the recent FIFA Club World Cup Melika and is doing wonders for North Africa. Ngokwakho, in the absence of Themba Zwane, and if you were to be Bafana coach or to advise Bafana coach, whom would you go for to play number 10 to replace Themba Zwane? Let's say you've got Nigeria in the final, you've got the big game, you need your number 10 to make things happen for Bafana. Whom will you take in the absence of Themba Zwane and why?
Actually, I'll go for Mbule because of, well, I'm not saying because of Nigdala Pirates. Kibwanje as a sportsman, no? Mbule already on squad.
Yes.
And Lodge Olaba out.
Yes.
Anyan.
Yes.
Performance wise and wise. But this boy Mbule wa performer and squad, so advantage in so I'll choose it because of his performing as well, because of how checker can I replace this one
Themba
Zwane because of Themba Zwane obvious like how Chole made, so now I'll replace him Kambul.
So we perform good to Thembinkosi Lorch or Manchester
No,
City.
no.
They had sleepless nights
because number 1 hadlala go qualifiers hadlala go ntong, so obvious onantana the rhythm ya high momentum only more, so I think advantage ka Kambul.
Mare okay mo nting eng rule ya bone Lorch le Mbule.
Yeah, but yeah. No, Badlala styles are different.
Badlala styles are different, but now we're talking about the position. They play different styles, but they're playing on number 10 position as well.
This one, Lodge is more
He's a wing.
Oh, okay.
He's
more
Yeah.
Chinen.
Yeah.
So
some compare
this one you're behind the strikers.
Mbule kena, that's why
that you'll opt for.
Yeah.
Because position
was yes. Like for like.
We are told. PCI Kopani.
More wing.
Yes.
And Mbule won't even in terms of standard
space. Yeah,
standard quality.
Yeah, I'm talking about
10 not because
in terms of pace
Mbule is good, but I will go but long child judgment yak. Now according to when I look at Lodge, fine, he's a winger, but he's explosive, quick, sharp, awareness on point. Umnat. Wabon. Mbule is more fashion man. Sadlala ball. He's not Mbule all Supersport United. The Mbule one no. Two different worlds.
No, I can't the whole day.
He's shy.
He's too ball is actually more. Before.
Chinen, isikhathi lapho njengoba sengisho sesishayile. Awusitshela ukuthi uChinen njengamanje what is he up to wenzani ama activities skippani wena Chinen at the moment.
Okay, no normally nitsekitsamisa di players ke agent one.
Okay.
Normally people they call me to sebana ba bona ke na le connection, they use my connection then ntse ke le ko Nthonko Foundation ya Zota Khoza Foundation.
Zota Khoza,
The
daughter ya Ivan Khoza.
Yeah, and then ke ntse ke le ko Ditlhake Masters re butse team ko Bosberg.
Yes.
Ona le Godmane ngwe ba bitsang Lebza mole tshwere ka le mocha mole.
Oh, monate da.
Yeah, no mnate da e butse team ya di Express kaofela. So ba check le tsele bona kaofela re dula kaofela re na le club house. Re na le di uniform actually re professionally happy.
Yeah, reliving the professional life again.
No re phela o shapile o ente style se seng o feel so special ke bona. What he did there kore e hlotse batho bangata. Like even the cast tsa rona different casts, but yena I choose nje o ga re a re kopanye a go tsetsa di position no like re feel special again. So ntse re busy ka yona, then o tla re bona most re di games tsa rona di dlala Bosberg, we travel. Then social media re demo le batho ba re follow
le teng lebitso la club again
Ditlhake Masters.
Ditlhake Masters.
Yeah.
Njoba lapha sesizwini insizwa lapha Bernard Chinene eshet ezinye izinto azenzayo lapha oyi agent. So talking of agent, because there might be someone elsewhere who's got an upcoming player angazi ukuthi because njoba lapha bayabasho ukuthi yes ungaba ube mnandi ebholeni, but you also need connection. You also need an element of luck. You need a network.
Yeah.
So how does one get in touch with you? Because you might find there might be someone go Northern Cape, go Galeshiwe, go Shobane, go Bloemfontein. So how does one get in touch with you? Good, hey, Binet, go Ombu. There might be someone go Ombu Mtata. Kunomfana right else somewhere. How does one get in touch with Chinen? Akubheke lo mfana akusize lo mfana.
Normally ke teng ko Instagram, ke teng ko Facebook, but Facebook most not the fake accounts. Yes, but nje ke mothabu wa le nna ke mo fa number tsaka, then we communicate WhatsApp from Facebook nthola easy, then for WhatsApp, and then WhatsApp we communicate WhatsApp. Then the last time our nekile ko radio call CDFM.
Yes.
I gave them the number more CDFM. Kibone the whole, I think the fans more followers 4 million.
Yes.
Then Kasia number tsaka mole, then get to the color so my 200,000. Yeah. So I get all Facebook, Instagram, go WhatsApp.
And uban khona amakamaka ubanda for social media. Bennett Chinen.
Yeah.
Okay, siyizwa lapha ensizwa Bennett Chinen khona lapha ku Instagram na ku Facebook. Uma ufuna nje lapha kum DM or PM uma unomfana nje lapha wherever ezilalini ungakwazi ukuthi lapha umthinto Bennett nje beshile ukuthi uyasebenza lapha ku Zodwa Foundation akakwazi ukuthi abasize abantwana and hook them up, like they always say ukuthi your net worth is as good as your network. So either way, you definitely do need a network. You might be good in your little corner, but ngendlela thize you definitely need network. Akekho umuntu we-island, so ngendlela thize you always need lo msamaria alright ongakwazi ukuthi take you straight kulezo ndawo ezi-right, and that's where the likes of abo Bennett Chinene come in, bangakwazi ukuthi open doors for those upcoming youngsters. Lebza
Benny,
ke
re ka leboga ngwaneso ne.
Yeah, wana
Ke leboga holo re leboela nako o iphileng yone gore gone go o fitla mo rona o tlo re tshakela la ise re fetse ke utlwa ditaba tse di ngata.
Yeah, wana ma ke bona le tsena tsa abo profeta ka mona ka dintsha le tsona.
Ke re fetse ka bomo ke re fetse ka bomo
Ka thaba gore o iphe nako hape a re hula ka mtata hore re gone o ne lento king part 2 king ka Sotho.
Part 2 ka Sotho
sesibili ngesizulu
go tletsa kana Sotho sona start
yona
yona yo part 2
ka thaba holo ngwaneso mara ke leboga holo.
no le bile nna tshela
sizongena ke kuyabo bishop yo.
Amen.
Amen. That's how we come to an end to today's episode. Let's do this once again here on Sports Cake with Sibonelo Ngoba and Lebo Dihlako. Till then, it is bye-bye.
Hola, tango.